Look, say hi to everyone. Make a trellis for cucumbers using this old crib that we took apart. This is kind of like steps. Maybe the cucumber will be able to go right up. Watch, watch. Okay, Benjamin, move back a little bit. We're gonna put one right here. Good. Oh, you want to hold this one? You hold it like this. Here, come over here. Come on this side. Yeah, now hold it right there. Okay. And now, whoa. Now this one, I'm going to do something like this. So I got to jam this one. Hold it, hold it, hold it up.
Whoa.
What happened? You forgot to hold it?
So scary. So scary.
Here, buddy. You just hold it straight like this. Just hold it straight. 2 hands. Don't let it move. And I'll put this one over here. Okay. Okay, now we bring them together. Good, good, just like that. Now, we're going to take the wire. I'm going to try to take this old wire coat hanger and just kind of wrap them together to hold them together. Okay, where are those tools, Benjamin? Right, you're standing on them. Bring it to Tati.
Can I do the other one?
Yeah, you hold that one.
Or should I do this one?
I'll tell you when. Okay. Let's see. I hold this here. I just wrap it around like that. Okay, can I trade? You want to try it? You have to come over here and try it. We gotta twist it around.
I'm afraid I want to do it.
Okay, can I have it?
Yeah.
Okay, I mean, it is what it is, you know what I'm saying? It's kind of a homemade little contraption, and now I'm going to try to plant the cucumbers here, and we'll see what happens.